Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and I'm really excited to show you this awesome remodel located at 905 Lewis Street in Fayetteville, North Carolina, close to Fort Bragg. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website www.davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's the number 4, where you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to see all the features in 1080p in high definition. This property has some serious curb appeal. It's located on a cul-de-sac. I like the island there. Fresh landscaping, pretty brick veneer. Big front porch. And there's a decorative front door to welcome you home. And you're going to be equally impressed with the inside. All brand new paint and flooring. This is the living room with a wood burning fireplace. Fans and blinds throughout. This is the formal dining room. Wait till you see this kitchen. You're going to love it. Starting with this tile work. Wow. This is the breakfast nook. And everything in the kitchen is brand new. There's crown molding, a tile mosaic backsplash, granite counters, a pendant light over the sink, stainless steel appliances. Here's a closer look. And then here's the other side of the kitchen. Here's the sink. And next is a big sunroom that's heated and cooled. It has a great view of the backyard. And there's a laundry room. There's a parking pad here. Backyard has some good privacy. It is fenced in. There's a storage shed. And a brand new gas pack there in that corner. We'll look at the bedrooms and bathrooms now. Here's the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And this is the master. And it's 1.5 baths. Here's the master bath, and this is just amazing with all this tile work. Has a custom spa-like feel. And it's a jetted tub as well. Here's a closer look at the tile work in the shower. This is just wonderful. Here's the vanity. And here's the half bath. Thanks for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 for your own private tour of this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour.